Hello everyone, Sam is from myfirstmagicweb.com making this a small video about yen pairs, how to trade yen pairs based on yen index. So let's get started here. Let me remove this out. So let me show you first my weekly chart of yen index, which I made on the 22nd February 2021. This is yen index weekly chart, and it's supposed to be like wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 supposedly be ending somewhere here, and then we're supposed to drop back to this TL or maybe even lower, 38% of wave 3 for wave 4. So ahead of time I made this chart that this is what's going to happen. So what happened to this chart? Let's take a look. This happened on the 29th May. It went up a little bit, got stopped there, and then start to drop, right? I was expecting that anyway. So I made this chart here, and then it started to drop. And then I made this chart once it hit the TL, so like wave 1, 2, 3, maybe wave 4 is finished, and it's going to go up from here for wave 5. And after that even, this is the diagram that this is usually what happened, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, and then what it is that if yen index going to the upside, that means yen is getting weaker, and all yen pair would be going up because yen is always on the right hand side in each and every pair. So the next chart I made was this, that okay, if this is wave 4, then we're gonna go up, and I wrote down here, so like all yen pairs will go up, right? So what happened to this chart is, let me see, this as of today. All right, so it went up. So my question is that, is this happen? What I said here, all yen pairs will go up. Let's go take a look one by one. So I'm going to show you from first the 20-minute chart of yen index. This is the yellow horizontal line is October 1st, and it start to go up big time here, right? What impact this one has on other yen pairs? So let's see one by one. Aussie yen, you can see here how it went up October 1st, boom, to the upside. CAD yen, boom, to the upside. Euro yen went up. That's what I said, right? All yen pairs, right from the October 1st, because yen started to go up. Pound yen went up big time. New Zealand yen up. USD yen big time. Right? So all 5, 6 pairs, all yen pairs, they all went up because of this that I had yen index chart under control. And I saw the direction that this is where it's going. So I end up having so many trades in hand. But not all of them I would take blindly. But I have to have my setup, my Magic Average setup to go long. So let me show you how I did one by one. For example, September 29, pound yen. This was the trade as well, right? And then I couldn't find the chart where that chart is. I lost it. So this was a nice trade, and then again on the 27th, right? So it went up, right? And then the next one you can see here, AJ on the 27th as well. This was the trade. This was the trade, right? All on the long side. Then you also had, I had on the 29th USD yen, big move already, but caught a little bit after that because it didn't give me any entry here. So 50 pip here on the 29th, and then I had on the 5th, and then comes the weekend, right? And after that, game starts again. And this entry was on the 4th, and I closed this on 5th because I failed to close here. It retraced, and then I had to wait another day, and it went up again. I closed on the 5th, 400 pip, right? So this is pound yen. Then here you can see Aussie yen on the 7th of October. Aussie yen went up for 80 pip, and then on the 8th USD yen, boom, it went up again for almost 70 pip, right? So these are the trades like one by one. You can see, and also on the last day, which was the October 8th, pound yen, one more for 50 pip as well. So all of these yen, like from September 27 till October 12, you saw like 7-8 trades, all yen pairs and all yen. I had so many other trades though, but they were all went up, right? Now, this is what I said on the chart. This is what the heck? No, the one I made, this one, right? This is what I said. All yen pairs will go up, and they all did. Right? You can also see. No, forget about it. That I don't want to make it complicated. So this is how similar, like pound index, Aussie index. Whenever you catch the direction on the index, it gives you the power and like multiple choice that which trade you want to trade. So many pairs, right? Pound pairs, like 5 or 6 of them. If pound is on the move, you will see that pound USD going up, pound yen going up, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound pound this, pound that. So everything will be going up, pound. So this is how easy it is if you're watching the index, right? So if you want to learn how to do this, where the index, how you can get it, and then my weekly chart, if you're supposed to get my weekly chart for the direction, and then this magic IV system, then go on my website and subscribe, because a lot of people are asking. And the last video I forgot to mention, so just go on my website, use the yellow sign, yellow button, to subscribe and get these charts, get these setup indicators, EAs, all of that, and then you set up your charts over the weekend. This just week started already, so there is no weekend. I thought I'm doing a webinar on Sunday. But yeah, so yeah, you can be a part of it. Very easy. Go on my website and be a part of it and start learning like that, right? And if you are in need of learning from the start, if you're very new, then I have a one-on-one course as well available, where I go on Zoom and teach everything, start to finish, A to Z of everything has to do with Forex. Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR levels, trend line, channels, this, that, everything. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.